Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. The viewers in front of me TCL Tab 10 and 9 can show you how to make this device faster. To make this device faster, you need to open the control panel, then open the settings, scroll down, find here smart menu and go back and find here storage, find here your memory. So click on the memory, and as you can see now I have used 37% of my memory, and I have no cleanable apps running in the background. If you have, so just click clear these apps, remove it from the memory, and it will remove process from the temporary storage. It's very good to boost your device right now. Go back. Then in settings you can scroll down and find here storage. In storage you can check how much space you have used in internal storage. If you have used over the 70% full, 70 it's here point. If you have used over the 70%, your device will start to slowing down, and if you have filled over the 70%, so just release the space, remove games, remove any application that consume a lot of internal storage, remove photos and videos from this device, move it to the flash drive, hard drive or cloud storage, and this way you will free up the storage and make your device faster. That's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.